Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this video we will discuss all about recover PHP page, right? For example, I'm going to open index.php page and I'm going to click to login, but I don't remember the password. I'm going to click on forget password. Okay, so we need to change the link, right? So I'm going to open my code editor and I'm going to open login.php, right? And where is the link? There is a link. Okay, so first I'm going to change that to recover.php, save that, and let's check it now. It's working or not. Okay, recover.php, right? Now the next thing we need to do is we need to create a function, right? And when a user will enter the email will match our database. If database email and the input text field email will match, then we will send the email and also code. I'm going to show with you, I think, code. Then the user will able to enter the code inside this input text field and click to send password. Then who will redirect with I think reset.php and this page, right? So this is a process, this is a complete process I will teach with you step by step. So let's get started. So first thing, you need to open the function.php file, right? And I'm gonna remove this and login.php. Open recover and functions.php file, right? So first we need to set up our recover.php file. Inside recover.php file have a one input text field, right? Like this one. You need to cut that and write the simple form tag and call. Just remove that and use method post, right? Inside that you need to paste the input text field, right? And then also you need to cut that and paste here, right? Because the button tags available on the inside the form tag, we will use form tag, right? This one. Now the next thing you need to call input type is hidden, and I'm going to use name token. I will assign the random token inside the input text field. We will get the token and also we will match the session and also input text token, right? So I'm going to open functions.php file and I'm going to write recover function, right? Function recover password parenthesis brackets, right? I think recover. Okay, recover. Inside that I'm going to call if $_server request method equal to post, then come into the if body and display the message. It's working fine, right? And we need to copy the method like this one. Go to recover.php and paste inside the document. I'm going to paste that outside the HTML document, right? Okay, perfect. So well, let's check it now. Click to send. It's working, right? But I want to display the message after this. Okay, right, and let's refresh that. Okay, right, it's working fine. Now the next thing, you need to go on functions.php file and go to above, find the token function. This is a token function that will use to generate a random token, and also the function will be used to store the code inside our session token, like token, right? This is a token. So I need to copy the function and go to recover.php file, and we need to use second input text field this input text field doesn't appear on the browser. This is a hidden field, right? You need to write value and call the function. Also use echo and this function name token generator, right? This function will generate the random codes. I'm going to show with you. First refer that, right click it, go to resource, refer that, and I'm going to show with you guys. As you can see guys, this is a token code. If I want to refresh that, and this code has been changed, I will refresh again, then you will be able to see that code has been changed now. Right now the next thing we need to check the if statement. Okay, so I'm going to open my last one. Where is the function? This one. Okay, so first thing you need to call if set $_session. Inside the quotation you need to call the session name. Which session? I'm going to show with you guys. I go to above and the token session, right? This token session. If set token session is active, and I'm going to use and $_post input text field token, like this token I'm going to call name is equal to post, right? Then come into the if body and display simple message working, right? And this time I just use simple methods. I'm going to call send password. Okay, what's the problem? $_post post session token and $_post token is equal to post. Save that, and I think I need to set up everything is perfect. Okay, so let's check it now again. I go to resource page. I'm going to call, I'm going to use something at gmail.com. just check that. I think I need to check that. Okay guys, equal to $_session. Okay, just a minute. What session? Token session, right? I'm call token. If is set means session token is active, and $_post which post? Token post. The token post data will come into the input text field, will match our session token, then come into the body and display the working text. Let's check it now. As you can see guys, it's working fine, right? So this is very simple and short video all about how you can set up that. In the next video I'm going to show with you how you can use another method. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture guys. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss all about how we can get the data from input text field and how we can match the email with input text field and also our database. And also we will learn how we can send the email with user to active reset the code, right? So first thing you need to get the data. I'm gonna call email. This is the email variable. You can write $_post and get the email name from record.php page. Here you email, copy that and paste it. Now then the next thing you need to write if statement, right? If we have made the email exist function that will help you to check the email exist or not. Inside the parentheses we need to pass the email variable. This function will check the email exist or not. If the email exists, else I'm going to display the error call echo validation error. I'm gonna call email not found, right? Okay, inside that we just write echo statement to check the data, check the code. Okay, working. I just write working. First save that and let's check it now in the browser. This is the email. I'm gonna copy that. First I'm gonna enter another email like admin@onlineITtuts.com. First I'm gonna refer that, but basically guys I'm gonna use admin@onlineITtuts.com. hit enter. Email not found, right? But I will use this one email, this email available in the database, so I'm gonna paste that. Working, right? As you can see guys. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to send that data, I mean email, with your user, particular user. So first thing you need to generate the code. I'm going to show with you. Write the code variable and call md5 and target the email and use plus micro time parenthesis, right? Now the next thing you need to do, create a cookie. Cookie will expire after 1 minute. If the user will work on inside the 1 minute, then who will be able to reset the code, otherwise who will not reset the code. Okay, so I'm gonna call set cookie. I'm gonna target, first I'm gonna write cookie name temp code. This is temporary code. Now the next thing you need to target the code variable. Third one is you need to write time period. 60 seconds means 1 minute, right? Now the next thing you need to send the email, right? So I'm gonna call email subject, please reset, please follow on link to reset the password, right? Then I'm gonna call http://localhost, and my project name is a login pro, means folder name. We will upload the project, then you will be able to see www and your website.com and your file.com, I mean your file name, right? So I'm gonna call login pro dot, and we need to use backslash sign and file name where you want to send the user, means user will click on this link who will redirect with code.php page. I'm going to show with you code.php page, code.php inside this page, right? Inside this page a user will enter the code, right? What is right guys? Okay, then we need to create a get variable. The first one, you need to create a get variable like email and assign the email that will get the from input activity like this one. Copy that and paste it. Now the next variable, you need to create a code that will get the random code where you will get the code. The code will generate on here, right? And paste it. Oh, there is some problem. Okay, just a minute. Paste it. Okay, I use a wrapper view wrapper to display the complete code. Okay, this is our email and this is your subject, guys. Just a minute, I cut that. Please, I'm gonna remove all of this stuff. Please reset the password. This is a email subject, right? and then we need to create a message variable, right? And then we need to paste the complete code. Okay, now third one, you need to create a basically header variable, header no reply OnlineITtuts.com, right? Then we will call send email function and pass the each variable. The first one is your email variable, and second one is your subject, third one is a message variable, fourth one is a header variable, right? I'm gonna call if statement. If, just a minute, parenthesis, this one code is the actor, otherwise come into the else statement. If the email will send in the user, then I'm gonna call echo dev close, but this time you can't send the email with user, right? I'm gonna show with you guys, just a minute. Inside that I'm gonna call send the classes alert success, and use colon, please check your email, right? Okay, and the else statement, I'm gonna call echo validation error validation function that will help you to display the error. Inside that I'm gonna call we couldn't send an email, right? Okay, this is the if statement, and this is also if statement. After this is if statement, I'm gonna use else statement, and I'm gonna call redirect index.php. If the session code token and token code will match with our session, then come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body, right? This is the else statement. Now this is a if and this is the if. Okay, now the final step is we need to update the validation code, right? So I'm gonna call SQL update users set. I'm gonna check the validation code column name, validation code. Okay, select the column name like validation code underscore code equal to this one code, where we need to select the email column that have inside our database. This one will match with our input text field. Then we need to update the validation code, right? I'm gonna call result. So I'm gonna just call query function that will help you to generate the query, right? Okay, I think everything is perfect. Let's check now. Okay, now check out on the second one, like PHP dev, and this is the validation code is the 0, and this user is already active, right? I mean activated. So first I'm gonna copy this email, and first I'm gonna fetch that. First I'm gonna enter invalid email, right? Email not found, right? I entered the correct email. We couldn't send an email. Don't focus on this warning and also this message, because this is a local host. We will upload this project with online server, then you will be able to see success message. Don't focus on that. Refresh your MySQL database. As you can see guys, this is a PHP dev email, and this is the validation code. Okay, this validation code has been updated. Now if I will enter again same email, and let's check it now. First 920, this is the starting 3 numbers, and the last one is a 6D4. I'm gonna call send, and after that, as you can see guys, the first one is a F32 and last one is a AD3. This code has been changed. So guys, I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss all about how we can get the value from input text field. I'm going to show with you just a minute. This one field, recover code, and how we can redirect the user with this one page. Means this page, this URL we will send with user will redirect with code.php. I'm going to show with you code.php, and inside that user will enter the code and click to send the password. Then user will redirect with reset.php page, right? We will work on them. Then final step is we will discuss this process on later. This time I'm going to show with you each process that will help you to redirect the user with this page with complete feature, right? So first I'm gonna open recover.php page and go to code editor, and first you need to open code.php page, right? And we have made simple input field. You just write form and remove the method, action to method, paste input text field and cut the form code and paste out here outside of the button step, right? The first step. Now the next step, you need to make a function. Okay, this is a closing function, validation code function, right? I'm gonna call function validation code, right? Parentheses, square brackets. Now the next step, you need to copy this function, go to code.php and paste it, right? This is next step. Now the third step, you need to use validation. What is validation? You need to check the validation like cookie. If this cookie name is active, then comment to the if body, otherwise display the error message. Call if set $cookie, right? You need to target the cookie, right? This cookie time period is 1 minute. After the 1 minute, user will redirect with another page. I'm gonna call set message and use div close class alert danger, your code has been expired, right? This is my message. If the cookie will expire, then user will see this message with this page like redirect recover.php page, right? Now inside the if body, you write if set not set. Okay, I'm gonna show you $_get. You need to target the get variable. If the email get variable and not set $_get code, I'm going to show with you those variables we have made on above. Okay, this is a get variable guys, email, right, and also code. If those are not active, then user will redirect with gonna call redirect index.php page, right? And also I'm gonna use else if statement and check the empty field. Then let's go get email and empty. Then let's go get code. Then also user will redirect with index.php page. Finally, the else statement. In the else statement, you need to write if is set $post. You need to get the code from first input text field, like this one, recover dot recover hyphen minus, right? And also if it's set this one, I'm going to share with you code. Okay, this time this doesn't work. Basically we have used security. Okay, now the next step, you need to make a variable like code and get the value from code input text field. Now the next value you need to get from the get variable like email, right? Now the third step, you need to write the query. Which query? Query is select static from users where this is a database column name validation code equal to our input text field code, like this one variable, and email equal to this one email, right? This is a get variable email and this is a database column name, right? Then I'm gonna call result variable and call query function that will help you to run the query. Call query. And the third step you need to write, and the next step, right? I'm gonna call if fetch data and pass the result variable. If the result is available on the database, then user will redirect with reset.php page. And the else statement, I'm gonna call redirect. I'm gonna call validation. I'm gonna call echo validation error validation function and call query file, right? Okay, so first step, you need to go on recover. Now another thing is we have made the function this message, so we need to go on code.php page. Okay, no, recover.php page. Inside the recover.php page, you need to write display message. This is a session function, right? That will help you to display the session messages, right? Okay, go to functions.php file and refresh that recover.php. Your code has been expired. Okay, I know. Okay, now inside that you need to write the email, like anyone email. The email is active and also available in the database. Click to send and go to your code editor and go to above and copy the complete address like this one, localhost and complete address. Okay, and paste here. Inside the email you need to assign this one email. Okay, and you need to replace that and paste the validation code, right, like this one. Okay, copy that and go to, okay, your validation code has been expired. Let's try it again. Basically the cookie time is 1 minute, and before completing 1 minute we need to use this one code. Okay, this completely, I'll copy that, and okay, we are successfully seen code.php page. So I'm gonna copy this one code and paste it. We are able to see reset.php page, right? We have successfully made the secure code that will help you to manage our validation code, and also after completing 1 minute, then code or cookie will expire. After expiring the cookie, then you need to generate another code. How? I'm going to show it to you guys. I think this code will expire after completing the 1 minute, then this code will expire, right? This code is expired, and this code is available on the database, right? I'm going to show it to you. FEC, and the same code is available on here, FEC, right? So users will enter the again same event like this one, copy that and paste it. Then the validation code will be changed, right? So I'm going to call send password, refresh that, and this is a validation code, right? The validation code has been changed. I'm going to show it to you, right? As you can see guys, this is the validation. Okay, so user need to copy again code and paste it, copy that and paste it. Then user will redirect with another page like code.php. As you can see guys, code.php. Then user need to copy the code and paste it. Then user will able to see reset password page. Inside that, user need to enter the password and confirm password. So in the next video, I'm gonna teach with you how you can set up the reset password. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture guys. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss all about how we can update the password, and also user will enter new password to log in our system. So we need to work on reset password, right? So I go to my code editor, and first thing you need to open the reset.php file, right? And you need to write form, and closing form tag you need to assign after the button tag, right? And you need to assign the method post, right? This is the first thing. Now the next thing, you need to create a input text field, and type you need to use hidden, assign the name token, right? Then the next thing, you need to write value and basic syntax of PHP, and you need to go on functions.php file and find token function, token generator. Copy the function, go to reset.php and paste it, right? Save that, and let's check it now. First refresh that, right click it and go to view source page. Okay, we need to use echo statement to display the token generator. Okay, as you can see guys, this is our token generator. I refresh the page, token has been changed, right? Now the next thing, you need to go on code editor and go to functions.php file, go to below, and okay, user will enter the code, and user will redirect with reset.php. But before redirecting the user with reset.php page, we will create a cookie and write the cookie name temp code. Then you need to target the variable. I'm going to target the code variable like this one. Okay, and you need to assign the time. I'm going to assign the time period 300 seconds, right? Now the next thing, you need to assign the get variable inside reset.php page. After the reset.php page, I use question mark and assign the get variable like email, like this one, and code equal to this one, right? First we need to check that. I go to my browser, I go to my copy this complete address, paste here. Your code has been expired, right? So I need to use same email. You can also use another email, you can do that, right? And we need to refer the MySQL database to get the validation code. Paste here, copy that and go to your project, paste here. And also you need to copy the code, paste here, and click to send password. As you can see guys, this is our reset.php page, and this is our get variable, and get variable values our email, and this is also get variable value is this one. Now the next thing you need to do, create a function, right? So I'm going to call reset password function, right? So we have a function reset password, use parentheses, square brackets. First of all, you need to target the cookie. If is set $_cookie, if our cookie is active, which cookie? Temp code cookie is active, then come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body. In the else body, I'm going to display the session message. If close, and call class alert danger, and display the message your time period has been expired. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, text, use terminal to sign. Okay, this cookie is available on above, as you can see, right? Now the next thing, you need to target the get variable, and also you need to copy this function, go to reset.php page, and after the HR tag, I'm gonna use basic syntax of PHP and paste the function. And also we need to use display function that will help you to display the session messages, right? Okay, now the next thing, you need to use if is set $_get, if our get variables like email, this one, and set $_get variable like code is active, then come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body, and I'm gonna copy this one, session message. Okay, paste here, and I'm gonna use your code or your null has not matched. Okay, inside the if statement, I'm gonna call again if, and I'm gonna call $_ if is set $_ session, right? If the set session, which session? Token session. We have made the function and assign the function inside our reset.php page like token generator. After generating the token will assign inside our session. Which session? Token session. If our session token with the name of token is the active, and let's go post. I need to use also if is statement. Post, which post? I'm going to show you, go to reset.php page and copy the Last one, input text field, which type have a hidden. Copy this one and paste here, then come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body, and then we need to also display the message like your code not matched. Okay, I use text something else on it. Now inside this if statement, I'm going to use again if, and I'm called session with session token session equal to post session, post input text field, then come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body. Inside that I'm going to use echo statement, and I'm going to use it's working fine. I'm going to check that our session token value and our input text field value are equal, then come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body and display the message your code not patched. I use again same thing. Okay, let's refresh that, and I'm going to copy that and paste it again. Our cookie expired. Okay, we need to also increase the time period of the upload cookie, like 60 minutes to 300 minutes seconds. Okay, now let's use same thing. Copy the email, paste here. We couldn't send email, don't worry, this is a local host. Copy your code, paste here. Copy your complete URL, paste here, and copy this code, paste here. Okay, why? Okay, reset.php page. Inside that I'm going to use something and hit enter. It's working. As you can see guys, I'm able to see our code has been working perfectly, right? Now the next thing we need to do is go to below. Inside that we need to get the value from input text field. I'm going to call down post. I'm going to show it to you reset pass. Copy that, paste here, equal to $post, and this one field come into the if body, otherwise come into the else body. In the else body I'm going to display the message like your password not matched. Inside the if body I'm going to use password matched, right? Save, and let's check it now. I'm going to use 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. I can't see the message, okay, but I use 1 2 3 1 2 3 password matched. Okay, but I use incorrect password 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. I can't see the error message. Okay, but we need to check that why I can't see the session messages. Okay, I go to reset.php page, our function, underscore post. I use again this one sign, okay, equal to, and the else statement set messages. I use simple statement, just a minute, password not matched. Okay, and let's check it now again. I'm going to use refresh the page first. Okay, I use 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 password not matched. Okay, and I'm going to use 123 password matched, right? So I think this video is too long. In the next video I'm going to teach with you how you can encrypt the password and how you can run the query to update the password, and also how you can redirect the user with another page. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss all about how we can update the password. Then user will able to log in the application with new password, right? So before working on that, I'm going to show with you another problem like this one. This is a double quotation. We need to use double quotation after the class, okay, and also use this one double quotation on here, and I'm going to copy the same thing and paste here, and I'm going to call password not matched, right? Okay, inside this statement I'm gonna make a variable password, and I'm gonna call md5. I'm gonna encrypt the password, right? Underscore post, and we need to use this and protect field name. Now the next thing you need to write query, and this is a query update users. I think users, okay, this is my table name. Set password equal to single quotation, and this one comma. I'm gonna use validation underscore code. This is the second column name. Assign the value 0, alright. Where okay, first I assign this one, okay. Where email, this is the database column names. I like this one, and also this one. I'm gonna call the underscore get, and we need to target the email get variable, right? Okay, this is our query. I think something is wrong. Okay, validation code equal to where email equal to this one. Just a minute, guys. Start, and I think it should be work, but okay. Password equal to password variable. Okay, I checked the query basically, guys. User set password equal to password, okay, and validation equal to where email equal to. I think here is a problem. I need to set up that, right? Need to use this one, sorry. Okay. Just a minute, guys, I checked that. Just a minute, I got that. And I use again double quotation, paste here, single quotation, double quotation, and I use dot. Okay, I will use another method, guys. Just a minute, I remove this one, right? So our perfect query, I will use email underscore get, okay, and this is a get variable, right? I'm gonna show with you get variable on this one, okay. We will get the email from get variable and assign the value on the email variable. Copy that, where email equal to email variable, right? This is our query. This query is used to update the password validation code, right? If the email input text field email and also get variable, I mean database email and also get variable email will match, then update the record. I'm gonna call result MySQL query. I just call query function and pass the query variable. Then I'm gonna call if result is the active, I mean everything is perfect, then come into the if body, otherwise else body. In the else body I'm gonna use something went wrong. Okay, you can type any message as you like. Inside that I'm gonna call set message alert. First I'm gonna call div close, call class alert success. Okay, your password has been updated, right? Okay, then we need to redirect the user with login.php page, right? I think everything is perfect. Let's check it now. I need to copy that and paste here. Code expired. Okay, I need to copy email, paste here, go to this page, refresh that, and wait couple of seconds. Okay, our validation code has been updated. Copy that and paste here, copy that, for that. Okay, and copy this one code, paste here. We are able to see, okay, your code not matched. Okay, first I refer that. Why I seen this message on this page, reset.php email, your code not matched. Why? I copy that and paste here, and say code not matched. I change this one to, I check that where is the problem. For that, I think here is a problem. This one message has been appeared. This else statement, session token, and set post token. Okay, I try again. I will use it to, okay, I think everything is perfect. But why I seen this message? I think something is wrong. Okay, but I check that. Okay, I use password. I use my personal own password. Something went wrong. Okay guys, I think something is wrong, and something this one. Okay, so I think I need to check that. And if I email underscore get email variable, assign the value in the email. So query update users set password. This is the password variable. I check that password. Okay, equal to pass variable, comma, validation code. Let's check it. Validation code valley underscore validation underscore, okay, 0 where email. Everything is perfect, but why I seen this message? Okay, I need to use query tool. Copy that, paste here, right? Pass result, set message, and redirect with user another page. Okay, I think everything is perfect, but why I seen this message? Okay, I use again, copy code, paste here, password not matched. Copy that and go to this else statement, and this is I think this is okay. Where is problem learning session set token. I use R sign. Okay, then I check that. Okay, 40 code not matched. Okay, just a minute guys, I check that. I think I need to check the time period. Okay, this video is too long. I find the problem and then I will teach with you another process. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture guys. Hello guys, welcome back. Now I have found the problem on our query. So first thing, we need to set up our query, then we will be able to update the password, right? And we will redirect with login.php. Once we are able to log in with new password, then we will upload our complete project with online server, or you can say that hosting on web hosting, right? Then we will use complete features which are available inside our application. Okay, so first thing, we need to set up our query. The query is very simple. I just use double quotation, single quotation, and paste it. Okay, I think I need to first a double quotation. Outside of the double quotation you need to write single quotation, right? This is your query, and also you need to use dot. Okay, and same thing you need to use on here. Use single quotation, double quotation, dot, and paste this one variable. And also you can use get variable like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one, cut that, and we need to paste that. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so I think everything is perfect. Let's check it now. I copied this email and I tried another email, and okay, our session expired, so copy that, send. Okay, and this is a validation code, new validation code. We need to copy that, paste here, copy that and paste here, and we need to copy this code, paste here. Okay, so first of all we need to remove those errors. Okay, I don't need to use those else statements. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, because my code is working fine, right? Now let's use password like PHP developer. I use incorrect password. Okay, PHP dev. Then we will be able to see password not matched. Okay, but we will use PHP developers, then we will be able to see another page like this one. Okay, login.php. so let's use the email like PHP login, and I'm going to use PHP developers, and I'm going to click login. You have successfully logged in. Let's check it now. The validation code and also password will be changed, as you can see, right? As you can see. Okay, now let's talk about how we can upload the project with online server. So first thing, we need to have a hosting and domain name. Do you want to learn how we can buy a hosting and domain name? You need to go on my YouTube channel. I'm going to show with you guys, and you need to follow on few steps. Then you will be able to buy a domain name and hosting. How to buy web hosting and domain name. Just I'm gonna check that where is my video. Okay, just a minute, I'm gonna share with you guys my video. I don't know where is my video, but I use shoots. This is my channel name. Go to site and search.
Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how
I'm gonna show with you guys. Use search web hosting. Okay, now you need to watch this one video, how to buy web hosting and domain. Okay, this one. Once you watch this video, then you will be able to see how we can buy a domain name and web hosting. Once you buy a domain name and web hosting, then you will be able to use Bluehost hosting and upload any project or any website. Okay, so first thing we need to log in that. I pause the video. After logging the account, then I will teach with you another process. Okay guys, so I am logged in my account and this is my domain name. After the domain name, I will create a directory and then we will upload the project with the directory. First I'm going to show with you what is directory. I'm going to call, this is my domain name, right? I'm going to search, and after the domain name, right, this is a website. After the website, you need to write \, means directory. You can write any name on your directory. So we will create a directory and then we will write the directory name inside this \, then we will be able to see our project. So I'm going to show with you. First go to advanced and you need to go on first I'm going to create a directory. So guys, I have made the folder. You can say that folder with the name of my app inside my main directory. Do you want to learn completely web hosting, domain and something, you need to watch my videos. Okay, basically I have made many videos. Okay, so this is our project name. Okay, copy that and paste it. Okay, so first thing you need to update your code. Where you use the local host, you need to update that. So I'm gonna copy that and I find where I use local host. Okay, so first thing you need to change that HTTP and just need to use your website name. Okay, remove this one. Your website name, and this is your project name, I mean directory name, and this is your project. Okay, we will upload this project. Okay, now the next thing we need to find localhost. Okay, please reset your I need to paste that. Okay, HTTP. Okay, save that. Let's find that again. Localhost HTTP. I think your active account, please active your account. Okay, everything is perfect. Let's check it now again. Please reset the password and okay, perfect. I think I need to set up another thing. Okay, but we will set up that on later. After updating this URL, then you need to go on your cPanel. Basically we will create a database. I'm going to create a database, like I will create any type, I mean any name of database, and then we will upload the project. Okay, create a database. Okay, just a minute, I remove this one. Okay, I go to MySQL database. Basically this is a PHP admin. We will upload the database on this process, but we need to create a database. So I go to MySQL databases and then we need to wait a couple of seconds. Okay, so we need to create a database name like login system. This is my database name. I click to create. Okay, this is your complete database name. You need to copy that and go to your notepad, db name. Okay, go back. We need to also select this one, db. Where is the db? Okay, add new user. So first I need to check that, guys. Login system, and this is our username. Okay, so I click to add. I need to select all, click to make changes, right? Okay, so I think everything is perfect. I click to go back. We need to get the I'm gonna call login. Okay, so this is our database, right? And we need to set up the username and password. Okay, so your username is, okay, I think this one. Copy that and use username, right? And you need to write the username on here. Okay, and just copy that underscore. Okay, login and write the password like I'm gonna use password 123456 123456. Okay, I use generator, password generator. Okay, first I'm going to use copy that and use password, right, and generate. Okay, copy, paste, and also paste the password on here, right, and click to create a user. The user login can't be created, already exist. Okay, where is the login system? Okay, guys, we need to create a user first, and username I'm gonna use username like login system. Okay, copy that. Basically this is a, and we need to copy this, paste. Okay, we have successfully made the username like knowledge 6, this one. Okay, so the first thing you need to update those values with your database connection. So I go to my include folder, no function folder, db folder, and go to above. First you need to use username is your this one, copy that and paste it, right, and then password is this one, and final is your database name is this one. Okay, save that. Okay, this is your complete online system. Okay, now the next thing you need to go on your MySQL database and localhost. Okay, this is your project, I mean database, name login throw. You need to click export, right, you need to upload this one project with your online database. So you need to click go and select your location path where you set the, okay, I'm going to copy the complete URL and I go to online databases. Okay, I go to I click to go back and and where is I go to again database. No, I go to PHP MyAdmin. Okay, PHP MyAdmin, because we will create, upload our project, database. Okay. Okay, I need to check our database. Okay, our database is a login systems like that, and we need to create a table like users, and we call users. No, I need to import. I think paste it, and then we call .sql. Find login pro. I'm gonna call login pro. This is our database. Okay, and click to go. I think this video is very long. Okay, but we will use complete feature. Okay, everything is perfect. Inside that have a table with the name of users and our record available on this table, right? Now the next thing, you need to upload the project. Okay, open your directory first. I'm gonna check those are my files. I remove this one, C drive, and Zim folder, htdoc, and login pro, this one. Okay, I think this one is, first I check that login pro. Okay, right click it and click to extract to zip. Copy your path and go to your browser, online server, click to upload, and select your file location, paste it, and find login pro zip. Okay, and we are able to see our project is online. Okay, right click it and click to extract, close that and reload. Also we need to remove the all files. Okay, so first thing we need to refer that. Okay, my pro /login pro. Okay, this is your project name. Okay, pro. I think I need to check that. Login pro /index.php. Okay, why I can't redirect with another page? Login pro, I remove the whole files, move the files. Just a minute, I check that, and I remove this one to app, and I think this will be okay. This is my previous project, guys. Okay guys, my project name is my app. Okay guys, this is my project name and index.php. and it should be display fine, but why I can't see? Okay, my mistake is we need to create a, just a minute, first we need to create a folder, because we will create login pro, right, this one, and first I'm going to remove this one. Okay, and select all files without login pro, and you need to move the all files with, basically I will teach with you everything. click to move and select your project name like login pro. Okay, move each file available on this folder, right? So I think it should be display fine. Is login pro, my app login pro slash index.php. What is problem? Okay, again go back. I think this video is very long, guys. In the next video I'm going to show with you how you can solve this problem. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, we need to basically I have changed something on this project. The first thing, you need to move the all files and folder inside your main directory, like my app, right? You need to remove the login pro, okay, and you need to upload all the files inside our your main directory. Okay, this is basically your domain. I'm going to show with you. This is your domain, and after the domain name you need to write your directory name like my app. Okay, so you need to upload the complete project inside your main directory. Okay, and now I have checked this. Okay, now another thing is I open includes and header.php file. You need to set up it. How you can set up it? Basically I faced a problem like at the CSS style sheet. I'm going to show with you. I'm going to use CSS in small character. Basically I have changed name of this file. Okay, I'm going to use this one project, and then you will be able to see something like this. Okay, but you need to use large characters of CSS. Basically the folder name is available in the large characters. Save that and refresh the page, and then you will be able to see same thing, right? So first thing we need to check that, okay, this project is online over server. Okay, so first thing you need to register the account. Basically I have tried the application, complete application. I'm going to show with you. I'm going to use what gamer. I'm going to use John, gamer John. I'm going to use email. This is my basically first I'm going to use this one email. Then you will be able to see error message. Email already registered. Okay, so I'm gonna use gamer John gamer, and I'm gonna use new email. Okay, just a minute. 1 2 3 4 5 6 hit enter. You have successfully registered. You need to open your basically email, and then you need to wait more than 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, it will take time to send the email. Once you receive the email, then you need to click on the link. I'm going to show with you. Basically guys, I tried this application. I'm going to show with you. Okay, this is the reset password, and this is the activation link. Okay, now you will receive this same message like this one. You just click on this one link, then you will redirect with active.php page, and I'm going to show with you. First I'm going to pause the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have received the email after I think 1 to 2 minutes or more than 3 minutes. I received the email like this one, active your account. Once I click that, then I'm able to see the same text like this. Click the link below to active your account. I click on that. I redirect with okay, as you can see, right, your account successfully activated. Now let's enter the username or email. I'm going to use this is my email, gmail.com, and password 123456. Hit enter. As you can see, I'm logged in my account. Okay, I click to log out, and I'm going to click to OnlineITtuts. Okay, and I use 123456. I'm going to use remember me. Click to login. Okay, I close browser. Basically, first I copy this link and close the browser, but I remove the some video. Okay, I open this link, then you are able to see I am logged in my account. Okay, I click on log out. I redirect on my login.php page. I click to forget password. I'm going to use OnlineITtuts.com and click to send. Please check your email. Just a minute, I open my email. As you can see, guys, I received the email. Please reset the password, but we need to set up it. But I'm going to show with you guys. I click on this link, and we need to set up this link. Okay, I'm going to show it you. I just remove this one signs, and also I need to remove this one signs, and click to I think something is wrong on here. Just a minute, I check that. Code is like this one. Copy that and okay guys, as you can see, this is a problem. I need to remove the login pro. I just use this one, my app, and this is my code.php page. I need to copy this code. We need to also display this code on, send the code in the email. Click to send code, and I'm going to use password 01234560 01234560. Click to send password. Okay, I'm able to see login.php page, but we need to also display the message. You can do that. I have explained you all about how you can display the messages and many other things you can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use email, and I'm gonna enter my new password 01234560. I'm logged in. Okay guys, so first thing, I'm gonna open my Bluehost account. Okay guys, so I opened my account, like a web hosting account. Inside web hosting have my project like this one. So first thing, we need to set up our activation link. So I'm gonna open function.php file and edit that, and we need to set up first user validation and access function, user registration. Okay, we need to send the email. Okay, app. Okay, this is our perfect, but we need to send where is the code? Okay, here is this is the activation page. Where is the function? User registration function. Okay, here is the code, guys. We need to copy this code variable, and we need to send the code on here. I'm gonna use your code is use, and I'm gonna use brackets and this variable. Okay, user will able to see the code. Users will copy this code and click this link to redirect with this is the activation page. Okay, remove this one. Okay guys, just a minute. I think I need to check the reset.php page. Okay, reset.php page. Code, please follow the below link to reset the password. Okay, here's the problem guys. We need to remove this one text, like your domain name and your project name, and also you need to use password, and I'm going to use your code is this one sign, and just copy this variable and paste it. Right, this is a recover password function, right? Save that. Right, then you will use that to, I'm going to check that again. Okay, just a minute. First I log out, and I'm going to click forget password, and I'm going to use OnlineITtuts@gmail.com. hit enter. Open this one link, email, and please reset your password, and I'm going to click on, as you can see guys, this is my validation code. Okay, I need to copy that, and I'm going to click this one link. Okay, I'm able to see validation code page. Okay, I need to paste that and click to send. Okay, another problem is this is a URL code.php, and this is our get variable. Those are basically invalid links, so I need to remove the single quotation, right? And also we need to save that again, and let's check it now again. I'm going to use OnlineITtuts, click to send, and open this one link. Okay, reset password, validation code is like this one. Copy that and click that, paste here. As you can see, I am able to see reset password. So I'm gonna use password 0123456789, 0123456789. Right, I'm gonna use OnlineITtuts@gmail.com, 0123456789. Okay guys, so we are successfully logged in our application. If you face any problem, you can contact me on my email, like admin@onlineittuts.com. If you want to download this complete project with source code, with database, you can click the link below, and you will be able to see my website. I'm going to show it to you. Inside my website I will upload this. I'm going to show it to you guys. Basically guys, you will redirect on this website, and once you redirect on this website, you need to click on this website, this page. After this page I will display the button on here. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting updates. Have a nice day guys.